Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so honored to be recognized as a change maker amongst Cardiff University alumni. And for me, it's an encouragement about the work that I do. I feel that there's a community for me to count on and bank on. And it's not just at home, it's also here, where I schooled for 1.5 years. And yeah, it's just been amazing. Really, really proudly associated with Cardiff Uni. So I'm a gender justice champion. I work with Emerging Leaders Foundation Africa. We work with young people in leadership development and mentorship. And I'm also a community mobilizer. Really love to support and work with young women and teenage girls. And so I founded Dada Power Initiative to do the same thing. Give back to my community, but then in partnership with other young people who would want to give back. And so for me, it's just been a journey of seeing the different gaps in my community and then bringing together people who would want to give back in the same way. Oh, my experience in Cardiff Uni was great, amazing. Even before I came to Cardiff, before I moved to Wales, there was just a lot of support from the staff, just preparing us on what to expect and who we can talk to in case of anything. I happened to have come during the COVID year in 2020, and I don't think I would have done so well without the support that I received. And even after that, the communication that we keep getting as alumni members, I think Cardiff University is a very, very, very great institution that is very committed to supporting young people and students, really, in every part of their lives since they start engaging with the university. I particularly loved the different virtual sessions that we would have about careers. We had support with people reviewing our CVs and just getting to help us understand how best to brand ourselves online. And then there was just all these communities. One of the things that we had during COVID was that you had a Zoom account to reach out to your families. I found that to be very personalized. And then just meeting the different communities. I was in touch with my Kenyan community. I was in touch with my Chiefling community. There's just those small deliberate acts from the university that I know not everyone has the privilege to enjoy.